Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes that I just stocked in my shop today at 3 o'clock. So these slimes will already be stocked, so you can just go shop them, link in the description. I sell low priced, high quality slimes. You guys really won't want to miss this slime drop because there are 3 new slimes and there's already a bunch of slimes already stocked, so go snatch. And if you want to look at more clips and some deals, go check out my Instagram at the Wild Slime Store. So the first slime I'll be showing you guys is Pink Lemonade Cloud. This is a really nice scent. It smells just like the name, and this cloud slime is super fluffy, super drizzly. So yeah, I definitely love this. It comes with a little sprinkle mix on the top. It's 2 layers, so pink layer and a yellow layer. And it's actually like a sizzly cloud, which is really interesting. And I just love playing with this, so you will too. So the second slime I'm showing is called Cotton Candy Cloud. It's a really nice cloud slime, and this texture is actually kind of different. It's more of a steady and slow drizzle compared to a faster, more fluffy drizzle. So this one has glitters on the top and the bottom, and it's also two-tone like the last one, pink and blue obviously. And this one's so fun to mix. It's scented just like the name, and yeah, I definitely recommend this too. So there are 3 slimes in this slime drop, which means there's also a buy 3 get 2 free deal. So definitely use that. It's perfect for the slime drop, and you might just get some of the other slimes that are already in stock. So watch these drizzles. This slime is just so fluffy. It smells so good, and the drizzles are amazing. This last slime is called Blue Skies Ahead because there are good things to come after this pandemic. So this is a really sizzly, icy slime texture. It's so fluffy and poofy, and there's so many beautiful glitters in here. It's one of my very first floral scents, so it smells like flowers and warm vanilla. So just like walking into a summer day. I just love the slime so much. And I just want to make it sure it's clear that I am taking precautions with my shop, wearing gloves all the time, and keeping everything clean. So you can definitely enjoy these slimes while keeping safe. This little clip, I just wanted to show you guys all the close-up glitters. There's so many different kinds of glitters in here. Star glitters, snowflake glitters, chunky glitters, fine glitters, everything. And then here's just a little big batch. And as you can see here, I am wearing gloves for big batches and packaging, so don't worry a single bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to place an order soon because slimes are not in like unlimited quantities. I will be having a restock with me tomorrow. I hope to see you tomorrow and in my shop right now. Go Snatch. Bye.